You see in October, they didn't call about the middle of October. Wow, go and Bucky Marshall. What's that mean? Bucky Marshall. Me not get the role. Some of you, me say people them not call me, she say I hear a role. I know them one, they know one they'll get the role. Cause apparently everybody had to meet with the director and they might boil it down for square off with maybe 2 persons to get the role as who I best. Nobody not to me look like him. Nobody them just like him. Me no meet the director until me go to England. I hear the England drama now. So when she said the role of mine, she said, you have visa? I said no. She said, you have passport? I said, yeah. She said, you go fly? I said, yeah. Marco, America, I want to go, you know. Because remember Hollywood, my thing there, you know. When me a pre say, and that inspired me for do acting, you know. Me, I say Bob Marley deliver America. Because me have that in my mind. I remember about no England. England on my mind. Even though my friends in England, hello, I'm not burning you out, I'm coming back, yeah? So it's like, when I go to the embassy, listen to that tricky part, you know. I say if I follow numbers. I went to do my biometrics.
Yeah,
for those who don't know what biometrics is, fingerprint and then we can record it. And when I did it on the 22nd of December, when I was leaving the British High Commission or the embassy, they told me that I will get back my passport 10 working days. So if it's the 22nd of December, see me, you don't know Christmas and Boxing Day out. So we are look for maybe the first week of January. You know when I get back my passport? Let me tell you when I fly. I fly the January the 24th. Make a one guess the audience and guess when I get back my passport. 24th. Oh yeah, the 24th on the day when I fly. One problem. Every week then call me. You have IMDb? Yes. Call back. It have to be pro. Boom. All right. Boom. We need to see when I contract or when I move them in. So me have a call back Arvin.
And send the contract. And send the contract.
After that now, boom. We don't think we carry him for write one long letter to the every week. Then come up with something. Me ball, you fart, me ball. Tell me, say somebody I try fight me now.
I fight them.
I'm go so boom the one. Them say, me get the car. Say, you know, you get the passport. Cause them carry my passport. Got the British High Commission. That the British High Commission had my passport, and they were negotiating about if I should get it. And then beg for me, you know, like some one criminal, you
know. but remember say the way you play Bucky Marshall.
But remember me never go England yet, so what kind of problem? My resume nice.
Clean like Jesus, White Sox.
Remember the music video on my resume, you know, because them not count that, you know. About 9 short film and movie upon that, you know. And the one I'm put up with them can't find. So after I go say now, boom now, and here say me say they might give me the visa. Then they don't call me and tell me, say, listen, like them still iffy. So them are going to call me and say, we are doing interview. I mean alone. I mean alone supposed to not get, I think me and the person play Claude myself, and we alone them hassle. Yeah. But me get it the worst. They might call me, said we have to all me I go through. So the Wednesday now, them me get the call, say me I get the visa. But the Thursday was the interview. I was it the Friday, whichever day was the 20th. Check it out last year. I year before last. One of them. Yeah. So me here say me I get the visa. So why the woman still call me? 1 hour the woman call me and interrogate me like the scene when me doing that video. And here the woman are gonna ask me now. Like you know all them people there when I interview the embassy, they gonna ask her one question, them out switch it round, later 10 minutes we have to say by same thing like them think man I idiot. Like them feel like me not go through them things already. Remember me go America 2 times already before. Mama asked me. Could I ask you, do you go to school for drama? What school do you attend? I said, I went to Tarrant and I went to Egnerman School of Performing Arts. Then 10 minutes down the line now, here mama now. What you going there to do? I said, me I going to a Bob Marley movie. What am I going to say? I sign a non-disclosure. I cannot explain, but to one the visa now and the woman I said, I think you're not understanding. If you're not understanding, can we get somebody to me say, no, man, I understand what I say, man, but me just tell her when I go over there. Go do. Me say, like when I movie out, me can't talk. Me say, me I go there, and me I go in the park, and me I go tell Bob Marley to come back to Jamaica, and me I keep a concert. See? Mama Depan, I'm not thinking of understanding, man. All right, so how many days you going to shoot for? I said, a 1 day, one scene I do. 1 day? And they need you for doing that 1 day? For that? So it's like, a picture of body language that I can see her.
Yeah.
Unlike me, I said that woman a face me, I talk to myself, me I answer back like
Yeah.
that, you know. Me I say, but that woman a face me, but I'm not the same face part now. So we must say one day, so she said, so how much are they paying you when she not for me not think she did ask that, me no know. If anybody work on the embassy and I watch this comment and tell me if the lady for ask that. Then when me tell her, yeah, this
Yeah, same. Yeah.
me know what I never said. What is my qualification? That is disrespect. Because you hear how much money me I get the next question, so what is my qualification? Lady, I just told you I attend school of performing arts. I tell her 10 minutes down the line, are you dumb? You get me? So it's like a bad mind. So it's like the woman up on the phone, all along with me. So when we come over the phone, I call back here then. I'm call Karim and say, Karim, you know the lady still call me? She said, what? I'm tell her how much she fresh. She said, them call up at the embassy.
And page her.
And say, them apologize and them call her for tell me, say, apologize. So me say, no, me good, me gone too much drama already.
Yeah, yeah, me good. Good and cost more.
She could have tell her friend to look out for me a custom.
Yeah.
Yardstyle live.